All right, for this week, we are still looking at Native Americans and their cultures, and we are looking at Objective 5C 1.1, analyzing the change in leadership cultures and everyday life of American Indian groups before and after European exploration. We're going to answer the questions: what were the different regions that Native Americans settled, and how did they interact with the land? And then I can explain why different nations of Indians interacted with their environments in different ways. So we're taking a look at that. We're also taking a look at explaining 5G 1.1, explaining the impact of the physical environment on early settlements in the New World. So what was life like for the key American Indian groups before European exploration? And I can identify early cultures in the United States. So those will be the objectives that we'll be looking at this week. Also, how were the key American Indian groups similar and how were they different? You can compare similarities and differences of them. All right, so we will be doing this week. So 5G 1.1, 5C 1.1 are the two objectives we are covering this week in social studies.